Hi, I'm Johnny, and today we're talking about the Eleaf iJust AIO Pro. This kit is the perfect solution if you want something that's easy to use but has high specifications and a contemporary design, all at incredible value. So let's start with the design, and you can see for yourself how good this kit looks. The leather style padded panels adds to the aesthetics while providing functional comfort while vaping. Choose from a blue, red or black finish, all accentuated with a metal surround. Despite the relatively compact structure, the iJust AIO Pro boasts a large 3000 mAh battery capacity. The LED battery indicator around the button shows how much battery remains so you don't get caught out. Then, when you do need to recharge, you can do so quickly thanks to USB-C charging. The battery can provide up to 70 watts of power, allowing for a true sub-ohm vaping experience with the low resistance Atomizer Heads. On top of the iJust AIO Pro battery is a pod style tank which features brand new Atomizer Heads. These are from the new EP range and they support a push fit connection for clean and easy changes. The kit includes a 0.6 ohm version as well as a 1.2 ohm version. The 1.2 ohm version is ideal if you prefer a mouth to lung experience and a tighter draw, whereas the 0.6 ohm version provides a restricted, direct lung experience with larger vapor production. Now if you prefer a true sub-ohm experience with large clouds at higher powers, then a 0.15 ohm version is also available as an accessory. The pod cartridge is filled at the bottom via a rubber bung, and the airflow is fully adjustable to suit the various resistances of Atomizer Heads. So there you have it, the iJust AIO Pro, which squeezes a large battery capacity and up to 70 watts of power into a compact structure which is simple to use, ergonomic and looks the part.